Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to favorite gifts on Discord. Are you looking for a quick guide how to favorite gifts on Discord? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now in Discord desktop. So this goes both ways. This works for both desktop and mobile. I know this is specifically for mobile, but my phone's set at the moment, it's charging, but this still works both ways on Discord, whether it's on your phone or on your desktop. So what you want to do is go to a conversation, a message, or go to channel. So as you can see here, we could type anything, right? And what you want to do is click or tap on GIF. And as you can see here, a pop will appear with GIF stickers, emojis, right? And a search bar here. And you're going to see this blue box that says favorites. So if you click or tap on that, it's going to show you probably all the favorite GIFs that you've, favorited. So to favorite a GIF, let's go back, is find one. For example, let's find one on trending. And as you can see here, it says add to favorites, right? There's a star on the upper right corner of every GIF that you see. As you can see here, scroll down, add to favorites, add to favorites, add to favorites, right? So for example, you want to add this to favorites. So click on the star or tap on the star like that. And then let's go back and then tap or click on favorites. And it's going to be here because you favorited the GIF. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.